or become aware of high-profile data breaches, especially in Australia in recent times with the banks. How can we ensure that AI systems, which are processing vast amounts of very sensitive data, don't become the next major attack vector for cyber criminals?
Yeah, and I think they are to some extent already, right? So if you think of a new attack vector around designing a way of working that tricks a model into making mistakes, especially some of the public models, that's already going on, right? At some level, right? So, if you're building a commercial AI model as a finance organization, you've got to have the basics: data anonymization, encryption through the whole AI pipeline, right? So even if you're using public and private data, you can't actually have these breakpoints where there is vulnerabilities, right? You're either encrypted end to end or you're not. I think your language model and all the data you use needs to be in a situation where you've pruned it and you can anonymize, but safely use the model for its intended purpose. The other thing to think about as a flip side to that is start using AI in your cybersecurity endeavors as well, right? So whilst it's useful in a whole lot of business processes, it's also a useful guardrail to have on top of your existing cybersecurity program, looking for things that aren't normally top of mind for any enterprise software that you've deployed to do that job, right? So, but definitely